Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW M4 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, and a 17mm socket. Make sure you also have new brake pads, fresh wear sensors, and some brake grease ready. Always park your BMW M4 on a firm, level surface, and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure process. Now let's get those old pads out. Start by loosening the lug bolts on your wheel, then safely lift the car and remove the wheel completely. Next, carefully disconnect the brake wear sensor. You'll then need to remove the caliper guide pins. With those out, gently take off the brake caliper and slide out the old brake pads from the rotor. Take your time with each step. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the caliper and applying a thin layer of brake grease to all contact points. Now, carefully insert your new brake pads into position and reattach the caliper. Don't forget to reconnect the brake wear sensor and securely fasten the caliper guide pins. This ensures everything is properly seated and ready. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel, lower your car, and tighten the lug bolts to 140 Newton meters. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to properly reset the caliper pistons. Finally, drive cautiously, performing gentle stops at varying speeds to bed in your new pads. This crucial step ensures optimal braking performance and longevity for your BMW M4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.